Hello everyone, this video is for installing the switch and how to set it. Here is the test tag today. The diameter is 70-50 mm, the medium is water. In the test we use low level alarm. It means that when the level is lower than the probe, it will alarm. When the level is higher than the probe, it was normal. And now I will introduce the parts inside the box and how to connect it. This one is the main instrument, the orange one, and this is a remote. This is a probe, which is very important. Now I will show you how to connect it. Please look at the line that connect to the probe. The inside of the line is a positive and outside is a negative. Now we have the terminals. Connect it to the terminal and be careful about the positive and negative. Please be patient about how to connect the terminal and the line. Normally there is a small box of the grease inside the big box. Now let's open the head of the instrument so we can see the site here. We have the power and this connected to the probe. This relay connects to the relay that you maybe have it. We connect the probe like this. The right side is positive, the left side is negative. Please make sure. And connect to the T and R port. Connect it tightly, and we have a power. The power connected to 24 volt. Please make sure the positive is negative, and this is the alarm. Maybe you have it. When the level is lower than we set, it will alarm. And it connects to the relay A port. That's good. Finished. Now we'll introduce a remote. The right one is reset and restart, and this one is the menu, which you could come to the setting page, and this one is test. You can see the wave page here, and this is return, and up, down, left, and right. This is an enter. Here is a number you can input, and this one is delete. This one is a probe and the magnet, which could immobilization the probe tightly to your tag, and we have the grease. Now let's put the grease on the surface of the probe. Normally it uses 3 to 4 millimeters, and paste it average. Now let's put it to the tag. Make sure that it's tightly. You can spin it to make sure if it was tightly. just like this. Okay, good. When you finish that, let's set some statistics in the height of the instruments. Now there is shows the close since we haven't set the statistics. Let's press the menu button to the setting page and we have user parameters here. Click it. The first one is a mode. Since we had one probe, we need to choose the same mode, and also we can change it to the A and B. Now we set it to C. And the second one is the frequency. Normally it's between 80 to 350. You need to check with the wave if it's the best when you changing the frequency. And the third one is the ultrasonic. Since the medium today is the water, so we input 4085 here. Since the ultrasonic in the water is this, it depends on the medium on your tank. And here is the low range and the high range. It depends which do you want. If you would like to monitor the high range, you can choose high range. If you like us to monitor the low range, you can input the 4050 to here. Since we monitor the low level here. And for the smooth, normally we set it to 150. Others are not important. We have filtered lean. We set it to 200. When finished, it's well done. Okay, let's come to the monitor step. You can see here is the water level, and this is the position of our probe, and the light is green. It means the normal. And you can see the wave. It shows normal, since the level is higher than our probe. Now we are remote the medium from the tank. You can see the water is decreased slowly. When the level is lower than the probe, it will alarm. The light is green now, and the level now is come to the probe. It shows normal now. You can see the level is decreased normally now. Now the level is here, it's lower than the probe. Yes, now the light has become red. It means that the alarm is useful. The level is lower than our probe, and it shows alarmed in the surface.